Cresta Marakanelo, we know is Botswana's largest hotel operator, but let's put fundamentals of this operation under scrutiny here, because admittedly, when you think of Botswana, you don't really think of it as a tourism destination. So what's the investment case in your view as it stands right now?
Well, strange that you should mention that you don't think of tourism in Botswana. They have some of the most attractive safari lodges in the world in Botswana. But Cresta itself is not really a leisure group. It's a hotel group focused mainly on the business traveller. Mm-hmm. And whilst the margins in that industry are not as attractive as the leisure industry, they're nevertheless a lot more sustainable. Mm-hmm. So from our point of view, we believe that Cresta offers a significantly less risky investment in the hospitality sector.
Well, with that, I mean, it's on track for June the 17th listing on the Botswana Stock Exchange. In what kind of overall market environment here, where I was just saying we've seen overall economic growth being forecast to come in at 4.5% this year?
Yeah, Botswana is pretty much like most regional stock exchanges or country-specific stock exchanges. They're still pretty much in their infancy at the moment. It's going to take some time for the whole capital formation exercise to build up a head of steam. But we're very active in that market, and we believe the appetite for investment in Botswana is good. Mm-hmm. Notwithstanding the world fallout in stock markets around the globe, there nevertheless is still appetite in Botswana for good quality assets. And we see this as part of the diversification of the Botswana Stock Exchange. In the past, it's been pretty much focused on financial services, really. This adds a new dimension to the market.
So the company here looking to sell 62.9 million shares in the company. Shares are being priced at R1.45 a share. It's equivalent to a price earnings multiple of 13, and that's a discount to the BSE's current market average. What are you anticipating uptake to be like here, and what are you basing those assumptions on?
The PE is actually 10.5. It's not quite 13. But we've priced this in such a way to make it attractive to local Botswanans investing. Mm-hmm. The anticipation is that there will be room for some stagging. You will find some participants coming in to make a quick profit. But by and large, we're looking for institutional holders to come and principally be firm holders of the stock.
What exactly would the investor be buying into looking forward in terms of future growth? What is this company raising capital for in the first place?
Okay, it's actually not a capital raise. Botswana Development Corporation, the BDC, is a significant shareholder in Cresta Marakanelo. So
hiving off its stake.
They are in line with their mandate from government. They've obviously assisted this group through its growth from a zero base to what it is today. Mm-hmm. And it's time for them to exit. It's like any development corporation would follow the same pattern. Post the transaction, the BDC will still be approximately 25-26% holder, and Cresta Group will remain as a 40% shareholder. Mm-hmm. So it's really a sell down by the BDC, and the funds are not going into the company at this stage.
Let's take a look at the company. I mean, it has a broad geographic footprint across Botswana. What kind of competition does it face in this local arena, most specifically, where you say it's not concentrated on the leisure market, more the business traveller?
Cresta, in essence, is it's a management hospitality management group. They only own 2 of the premises that they manage. The rest are held outside the group. So they're pretty much unique in the Botswanan space, not worldwide, but certainly in Botswana, they're fairly unique in that there are no real hospitality management competitors there. Most businesses in this space in Botswana tend to own their sites.
Yeah. If we take a look then at its broader regional focus, I mean, are we looking at an operation here that is planning to extend its regional footprint moving forward?
Cresta Marakanelo will probably remain a Botswana-focused entity. Yeah. Cresta is a bit more widespread in the sub-Saharan African region, being part of the TA Holdings Group. So we don't see an immediate external growth for Cresta Marakanelo. We see them concentrating on the Botswana market and achieving a position of dominance there.